Hi everyone, back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a glowing text in your edits on CapCut. So first, you can start by adding your text in CapCut, and then go to style and change the color from white into any color. You can add your favorite color. I'm going to use these colors right here, and then to have a glowing effects, you just need to go to animation, click on the loop, and then in here just select the shine animation, this one's right here. Just click on that and adjust the speed to slow. Now click on a check icon and you'll have that glowing text like this on CapCut. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like, subscribe, and also comment. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank